the shoulders, sending waves of relaxation. Then we did the listening exercise where he's touching his partner's base through the stretch, then vitally, then astrally, and then mentally. Now, when you do that with a partner, there's a shift in your sensitivity. Because your partner's tension and energetic alignment is different to yours, you wake up a listening skill within yourself. So this exercise, I'll do the exercise first. So I touch his base and then relax and feel, and do it physically, vitally, astrally, mentally. And then that feeling of relaxation and the way it navigated through his body is different to the way my body navigates. So I take that same feeling and I relax it through my body, and now I'm relaxing and releasing things I didn't normally have. You know, it's a different vibe. So it's catching different catch points or shadows that I don't have normal exposure to. So then I touch his base again, relax and open him up astrally. Now I take that same feeling of the release in him, and I release myself astrally with the same bandwidth of frequency. And it's a different feeling to how I'd normally release myself. But things will move that are normally hidden because of the difference in our general perception. And then do the same thing on the mental. Open the mental body up and move his balance. And then I come back to my own body, and I take that same feeling, and it creates more of a watery vibe as it goes through my body versus how it went through his body. The reaction is different. So you do one release on your partner, you stretch down, listen, add the element of releasing their base and opening all the energy, let it raise up as a wave of relaxation, exercise 1, 2, combining. And now we're adding the element of doing it inside of ourselves and go backwards and forwards. Once you've done that exercise a few times, we want to speed it up. So we touch our partner's base. Actually, you do it to me. You touch my partner's base, relax and release me up. Yeah. Now, what I want you to do is send a wave of relaxation from your feet up through your body and through me by slightly shunting. Just drop and then shunt and send a wave of relaxation out. Now, because it's very light, it's going to be more like you're in the surf and you get hit by water, and because the water's taking away your connection to gravity a little bit, you're floating in the water. When the wave hits you, you kind of float. So it's not a wave of physical power hitting you, it's just a magnetic field that's pumping through. Now you start pumping a little bit more and sending it through. And so that wave of relaxation, we're connecting it to the body weight. So I feel and I connect it to the body weight and I wave the energy and the relaxation through, and then we slowly build that magnetic wave. So all these exercises come together to form a type of energy skill. And your listening increases, you're releasing things within your own body, and the amount of power that you produce also increases. Okay, have a play.